Here.
Oh, hi. Sam got the toys.
Hey.
Toys.
You might need some help there, Sam.
It's very kind of you, Jack.
We should do
Careful. So, is this the...
Let's go, Sam.
This is the big tent. Oh, careful. Sam fell over. Whoops. I wouldn't leave it there. Okay.
What is that, Dad?
Hello, Sam.
We need everything.
Oh, this is...
Yes!
Hey, Jack, can you unzip
Look!
this?
A camping out.
Camping out.
A tiger.
Hey, Jack, what did you think of the hike today?
Cards in here. These cards.
Sammy, did you like hiking today?
No.
No. You looked like you were having fun.
Hey! Sam. We don't need these.
Campsite. What's that, Sam?
Rock.
Oh, is that the moose?
Yeah.
Moose. Lemur.
Lemur.
Moose and lemur.
Lemur. I'm shutting down my tent. There's nobody in. Mom, come in my tent with me.
Oh, okay. I'll be right there. Can you open so I can see what's inside?
Oh, sure.
Ooh. Jack likes the tent. Hello.